Welcome to our channel. We're Marcus and Patrizia, and in 2023 we decided to take time off to travel full-time for 3 months. From the bustling streets of Asia to the vibrant landscapes of South America, join us on this incredible journey as we discover the world and capture these moments to share with you. As our passion for travel continues, you will always find us somewhere on the map.
I had a pretty early alarm go off, which we actually get used to while traveling. I always find it easier to get up first and then later Patrizia does, but today we are heading to Uruguay. We've booked an Uber to come and collect us in about an hour, so we'll quickly get ready and take the ferry to Uruguay.
Check-in is 90 minutes prior to departure, so we're here nice and early. It's quite a big ferry.
It's a lot busier than we expected to.
A lot of people, but I think the ferry's also very big. It looks like we're here. We actually slept very well here on these chairs. It was an hour and 15-minute journey. But we're gonna go and explore Uruguay for the day.
Just re-energized with our coffee, our freshly squeezed juice. Prices compared to Argentina are a bit higher, maybe it's more similar to Europe, but it's definitely worth it. Like, you feel the quality, and apparently Uruguay is one of the safest countries in South America.
I definitely feel that.
Yeah, definitely feel that.
Now we're walking and trying to find a sandwich place which you saw online.
Yeah, it's called a chiveria, and it's a like an egg beef sandwich that's like a typical Uruguayan dish.
Yeah, let's try it, see if we can find it.
So we finally found the place that serves chorizo, and yeah, as I said earlier, this is a national dish of Uruguay. In fact, my one has 2 fried eggs in it. It has ham, cheese, and beef.
So good?
Very good, it's like breakfast all in one sandwich.
Perfect. I've got a chicken version of that. It's basically similar, but with chicken and mustard. And it comes with fries. I'm excited to try mine.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna try mine. Delicious.
Nice.
That food was delicious. We're just taking a walk and we stopped by this old car. They're everywhere here.
So scattered around here, it looks like there's just a bunch of these little abandoned cars. Maybe someone owns it. It definitely looks like you can't drive them. It looks like it hasn't seen a passenger or a driver for years.
So Colonia del Sacramento is actually the oldest town in Uruguay. It was built by the Portuguese, which was later then taken by the Spanish. But it's such a beautiful town. There's so many spots where you can take cute pictures and flowers growing and different coloured housing. There's also a lot of birds. I heard it's a very good spot for bird watching. It's beautiful and peaceful. Awesome.
Yeah, it's crazy to think, yeah, we're in the first city in Uruguay. This was the first one, even before the capital.
Even more special, yeah.
Let's explore more.
Yeah. Our day out in Uruguay is up. We're back on the boat to go to Buenos Aires. I think it'll be the same 1 hour and 15 minutes, which is really quick actually. They're quite close together. Yeah.
So worth the day trip, I think, isn't it?
100%. Recommend going. It's so fast, so convenient, and pretty cheap to get here.
Yeah, and everything is so close to each other. You don't really need to Uber. Everything is a walk away.
It's such a unique town as well. We loved it so much. The food was good.
There's also a lighthouse where you can see the whole city, but unfortunately it was only open for Thursday. But yeah, if you do come here, it might be worth seeing that.